Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash review of some cards that I picked up. So I was looking for a birthday card for my fiance, a Mother's Day card for my mom, and a Mother's Day card for my fiance's grandmother. So I was on Instagram, and you know how Instagrams always get me. There was an ad for a company called LovePop, and they have a bunch of kind of 3D cards, and I figured I would give it a shot, do a review. All these opinions are my own, and I picked up 3 cards like I just said. So I picked up a Disney Pixar card, I picked up a classic just little grandma card, and then a flower bouquet one for Mother's Day, just because I like that 3D aspect. So they came in this big envelope that says do not bend, and it has your shipping label and everything. I was concerned about that. Originally I contacted them because I wanted to change my address because there's been a lot of like minor robberies in this area when it comes to packages, but they wouldn't let me change the address. It came in the package. This is the card that I'm talking about. So these are large form pop-up flower bouquets, and when you reach for them they just pop up instantly. So I picked this one up for my mom. You have the option of shipping it directly to the recipient or just shipping it to yourself and you give it to them, which is what I was going to do. The envelope itself that it comes in is also quite large, but they recommend you take it to the post office to ensure that you're putting enough stamps in it if you're choosing to ship this to the person themselves. The envelope is nice and white, and then the card itself will lay flat on this, so when the person goes to reach for it, it'll lift right up. There's instructions right there. It says slide up from the vase to remove, squeeze the sides to pop it up, and display it in your favorite spot. So here it is flat. You pick it up, you squeeze, and it becomes a little vase, however you want to say it, and it's really cute. I absolutely love it. It's pretty sturdy, and I think it's just a very different type of card, so I'm excited to give it to her because I know she's definitely not expecting this type of thing. And it flattens right up again if you want to like install it and put it back into the thing so that she can see it. And I also picked up the grandmother one, like I just said. This is the slip. It has a little story, a little letter in the back saying thank you for purchasing this unique card. So this is the Very Sweet Grandmother, and it's right here. For a Very Sweet Grandmother, you open it up and the cake just pops up right there. It's like a blueberry cake with some strawberries. Super cute. And then there's a tab right there that says pull so that you read the actual card itself, which is great. It's great. There's a nice section there for you to write a personalized message, which I like. I'm excited for this as well. It's just very easy and cute. I definitely like this one, and I hope she likes it as well. It comes with a blank envelope, again, when you personalize it and all that stuff. The next card, like I said, is from Pixar, and it is super cute. It is an alien one. I absolutely love it, and I haven't given this to my fiance yet. It's gonna be his birthday, but also our anniversary that week. So it says here, you have been chosen, and then you open it up, and there they are. Absolutely adorable. The only reason I like the vase or the vases more is just because it's something you can display. This you can leave flat on a surface and keep it up, but it's just not the same. But it's still absolutely adorable and unexpected, and again, you have the sliding compartment in order to write your personalized message, which I think is great. So these are designed by LovePop in Boston, but they're made with love in Vietnam. So this is really pretty. I'm excited for these cards. They are very nice quality. They are a little bit expensive, but they did have a promotional code when I was shopping, but it only applied to the Very Sweet Cake one and the flower bouquet. Because this is Disney, I'm assuming, well actually no, I don't think it applied to the flower one either because it's like more of a 3D aspect, but it applied to the berry one, didn't apply to the Disney one, but I'm not surprised because it's like licensed characters and stuff. But yes, they have a wide range of things. Again, this is not sponsored, but if you're looking for a nice unique card, then it's definitely something to consider. So yeah, those are my thoughts, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye.